Alrighty, so I'm gonna start YouTube, and before I continue speaking, I just want to say I know this is probably going to be the cringiest video you've seen in a long time. I'm literally sitting in my room by myself speaking to my camera. It just feels really awkward sitting here. I also didn't really want to make a video like this where I'm just sitting down and talking to a camera without actually doing anything, but I thought it'd be kind of weird to just start uploading videos out of the blue without explaining what direction I kind of want to take the channel in, what kind of videos I want to upload and stuff. So that's basically this video, just an explanatory video. So I thought I'd explain why I've decided to do this. I personally couldn't care less about like numbers and subscribers and stuff. I mean, 90% of the people watching this video will be from my school, but I personally just enjoy making videos. I don't know why, it's just something I've done for a long time, and I think it'd be really cool to make videos that even, one person finds entertaining or learns something from. I even think it'd be really cool to make videos for myself, something to look back on when I'm older. I can see what I did for fun, how I sounded, what my life was like during these years, and yeah, I just think that would be really cool for some reason. I've also seen a ton of like filmmakers and photographers like revisiting their old work during this whole quarantine period, and they all started somewhere. Like, they were nowhere near what they are today, and I think it's really cool to see how they've progressed with their filmmaking and photography skills, and I just think YouTube is a really unique way of doing this. I look back on some of the first videos I made 4 years ago, and they were horrible, like literally the worst videos you'll ever see. Terrible music, not cut to the beat, like bad camera skills in general. But as cringy as they are, they do bring back a lot of memories, and I think it is cool to be able to replay a part of my life and revisit a memory that I would otherwise never be able to see again. So I'm personally really into like videography and like photography and stuff. And the sort of stuff that I really like to focus on is the travel style genre. And to clarify, that doesn't mean like some crazy exotic location. It's such a loose term. It can literally be, making any place look as cinematic as possible with different angles and shots and stuff like that. I personally enjoy filming larger scale videos, like the only video on this channel at the moment, my German student exchange video. And to put that into context, that was like 3 weeks of shooting, and then a solid like month and a half of editing just to get it out. So it's quite a large workload, and then there's big gaps in between uploads, so it really limits the amount of videos you can make in a year. So my idea was to film smaller style videos in between these large ones where I'm like talking to a camera or explaining something. So I'm not even 100% sure yet on what I'm actually gonna film for these smaller style videos, but I'm thinking something along the lines of like a behind the scenes video showing like my creative process when I'm taking video and photo, tutorials, even as cringy as it sounds, a vlog style video, because I think it would be cool to look back on. So that's gonna wrap up this video of me speaking. I apologize for how cringy this was. Once again, I'm really bad at speaking to a camera, so hopefully that's gonna improve. But I'm gonna try and upload my first proper video 5 or so days after this goes up. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, then keep an eye out on the channel, and yeah, that's the end of this video. So have a terrific day.